everybody's walking. So
Everybody's what?
bye-bye.
Bye-bye,ครับ
I don't think anybody's following that rule but you. Times Square.
This is also going to be like the Robbery Bazaar that's flying.
Okay. Hey, the Murder Club. You good?
You have arrived.
The Wine and Food Festival. What? Bobby Flay's gonna be there? Ciao. You're good. No. Look at this. Recruiting station. Times Square, people.
Carlos's Bake Shop. What?
Oh. There we go. Let's go in there. Come on. This is part of your experience, baby. Hey, there's his apron.
His apron. Huh. Look at those. Damn.
Well,
I don't know what to get.
baby, this is about you.
I know. This is so cute.
Yeah.
I just don't want to be carrying a bunch of like this kind of stuff, you know what I mean? It's more of the
We can
experience.
try something and don't like you going back.
These cannolis.
Sure. Definitely. Strawberry shortcake's always a good time. Hey, I'm your packing mule, remember?
No, they're being hot.
I'm good.
So he started here, huh?
No, Hoboken.
Hoboken.
Hoboken,
And where's Hoboken?
Jersey.
Jersey, okay. Yeah, we definitely gotta try a cannoli. Yeah, cannoli's fun.
Hello.
There's some cannolis.
We will do a 3-pack. So we'll do
Getting
2 of the classic and 1 chocolate.
some of those bad boys.
Is there anything else you want? Did you want to get the strawberry shortcake one?
Sure.
And then one of the strawberry shortcake. I think I'll do it.
So, if you guys are trying to catch some diabetes, that's the place to do it.
Okay, thank you.
This is in Times Square, New York. We got some savory sides too, pepperoni pizza. I don't know. Babe, here you go. Your favorite kind of food. Buffalo chicken. Tia loves her buffalo chicken. And the line goes out the door. It's in Times Square, New York.
Okay, so where did you want to go from here? You want to go to the...
Yeah, we can just keep looking and see where, and then back circle back around, right?
Need money for peanuts?
I said the festival,
Oh, yeah.
but we want to take a picture of us here, right? Closer or right here?
I mean, you're getting...
All right. Oh, this is it.
The sign for Times... No, Coca-Cola is it.
Oh, okay.
This is all Times Square, babe.
So this is where the ball drops?
Yeah.
From this side or that side? On 2025, look.
Yeah, that's where the ball drops.
Oh, look.
A new ball is coming.
That way. Away.
And that way... So this is the jewelry district here.
Oh, so there's Fox News. There's a Fox.
This is just like when we were in Florence. You know?
Yeah, yeah.
the-
Oh, okay. Watch it. There's a news corporation. Wonder who the suits are up there. Fox. Radio City. And you say you want to go to the toy store, right?